Hey guys, this is a quick video on my review for the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. I did an unboxing on this a while ago and I wanted to use it and get a feel for it before I gave an honest review. It takes two AA batteries. You use a coin or a key to unscrew it out and you install two batteries, two AA batteries in here. On the other side here, this is the power switch that turns it on and off. It syncs very easily to your, Apple laptop or any laptop that accepts a Bluetooth keyboard. This is, of course, the USA version, as you can tell by the Enter key. It's a very thin device. You compare this to an iPhone, original iPhone, you can see how thin it is. It's very thin. It also complements the Magic Mouse as far as being sleek and very streamlined. And it's just an all-around great device. On the bottom, you have your Apple logo, as you can see, with the design in Cupertino, assembled in China. And this is your signal for your Bluetooth antenna. So it's a very nice thing. This thing is it's in various prices, you know, and I highly recommend it. It's good for in case you want to use it, sync this to Apple your Apple TV or your Mac or your Mac Mini. You know, some ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, rate, comment, like, subscribe for more great videos, and I'll see you in the next video.